Hello, my name is Muhammad Amir Fahmi Benjis and my metric number is 2020617764 and I will be explaining about introduction. What is Saurus rule? The rule of Saurus is mnemonic rule for solving the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. The rule of Saurus is also known as a scheme of Saurus or method of Saurus, and it named after Pierre Frédéric Saurus, an important French mathematician of the 19th century. Next is purpose of study. Firstly, to increase the knowledge of students in learning Saurus rule. Second, helping students solving questions or problems involving Saurus rule. Lastly, to find out the mastery of the student presenting in Saurus rule.
Next, why do we use Saurus rule? First, we use Saurus rule to evaluate determinant of matrices with sets of 3x3 only. Second, a shortcut for calculating 3x3 determinants. Lastly, the rule is taken directly from the definition of the determinant and used to speed up the calculation process. How to solve Saurus rule? Step 1. Rewrite the first two columns on the right side of the matrix and draw arrows extending along the diagonals. Step 2. We calculate S1 and S2. S1, which is the diagonal with the blue arrow, and S2, the diagonal with purple arrow. So to calculate S1, the product of first diagonal plus the product of second diagonal plus the product of third diagonals. So lastly, step 3, S1 and S1 minus S2, so we get the determinants.
For problem statement, given matrix below, suppose A equals to matrix 3x3, 2, -3, 0, 5, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3. We need to find the determinant of matrix A using Saurus rule. How to solve this? For step 1, we need to rewrite the first two columns on the right side of the matrix and draw arrows extending along the diagonals. S1 represented by green arrow, S2 represented by red arrow. Step 2, calculate S1 and S2 by adding all the products of numbers on the arrow. And then we have step 3, when then A determinant equals to S1 minus S2, which is we get 3 minus -17 equals to 20.
So, as a conclusion for the study, all students that are taking linear algebra should have the capability to master Saurus rule. Hopefully, through this video, it will help other students in deepen their understanding about the Saurus rule. By mastering the Saurus rule, it will definitely help in solving problems or questions and other topics that involves it.